First thing you're going to need to do is open the trap door. So you insert a tool, like such, and open the trap door, the door will spring open. Inside you'll see the yellow filter. You put your thumb round to the back of the filter and press down and pivot the filter out to the left hand side, like a hinge. The filter then comes out. So this is the part where you use your thumb to push down and the filter just comes out on a hinge. So big. So I'll just get a new one. So with our new filter, we simply locate the hinge back into the place where it came from. And push it back in. You'll hear the aspirator start back up again because it automatically cuts out when you remove the filter.